Hello, my name is Michael Butz and I'm the owner of MBhealth Insurance Agency here in St. Louis, Missouri, more specifically known as Afton, Missouri. So one of our series of topics to address is Medicare enrollments for persons who are delaying their enrollment so they're qualifying for Medicare after age 65. So I've been the owner of my business, or I'm an executive, or I'm just an employee for a large corporation for any business size, and I'm now 68 years of age. And now I need to go to Medicare because I'm leaving my employer. There's some relatively significant pitfalls you're going to need to be mindful of. So anybody who wants to sign up for Medicare after age 65, that's 100% fine, but you need to keep a couple key points. Number one, you need to keep in mind the size of your employer. The smaller employer, if I am with a small firm of like 3, 4, 5, 8 employees, when you turn 65, you still must enroll with Part B at age 65. Life will get very complicated for you from a claims management perspective as well as some penalties. So if I'm working for a small employer, when you turn 65, you sign up for Part B. But if I work for a larger corporation, I'm now 67, 68, I didn't take Medicare when I was supposed to at 65 because I didn't want it or need it. Now it's pretty simplistic. You just need to apply for Part B, I'd say in general, within 2 to 3 months before your retirement date. That's enough time. You need to go to a simple website to do this, and you need an additional form besides what Medicare needs, a very simplistic form, but you need a form from your employer that will say, just to certify, it's a letter of creditable coverage that will certify that you've been covered by creditable coverage since your age 65, and therefore there's no waiting, there's no enrollment penalties or anything of that nature. So you just want to be mindful of those two key things. And the question I'm saying, if I'm working for a large employer, it's pretty simplistic. If I'm working for a small employer, then you've got a little couple complexities to go with it. Another quick comment. If I happen to be 65 and I'm working for a large major employer and I'm not retiring, you don't have to do anything when you're 65. You don't need to notify Social Security or Medicare, and you'll want to do that when you become eligible for, and you need to be having Part B. So there's a lot of some comments I'm making that may be starting and stopping. These are some simple topics that you're going to want a discussion with an agent. Check in with your agent or call our agency or text or email anytime at mbhealth.com. My name is Mike Butz and I hope to hear from you soon.